Jabam later and high Tabuk Pew and High Mayamadugi, Moy the Kari Nahinage. Suppose you assembly, Lotion of Kan Honori. I think government labor company may am lady, but together my amster when the request or Kanda. No can say labors in way the logo. So my relief the labor skill labors in a canvassing. Even unskilled workers, high basically the swinging with a one jena, Adugi, list Lokut Madugu Mamidu the Paisa, Hangaro Habigi, Peter Habigi, normal period, but to be casualty, number one. Number two, the Sagi Pagi, Keski, Karigita, Wasi, Hosiki labor situation, tap Sanga, Papa Shiadaba, had the group on Tolak at the thing, but security, the power group on Tolak at the Stingbagi, Adugumbagi Kara uncertainty pursue, mob key type among Hosiki situations in a labor, Aduna near Quina, Kitang delay Taurse. Whatever once FIR that's a lakan the missingi or Karibero lady put Punmaxing do. Interrogation though, she can't have just Pabaya the Magi Lord Kiba Kotkiva Labaduna, Karamatam Lona Bani, honorable speaker Sarduna, Madumayam, the question so Shoidana. Toguni Adugosiki, school college give he and have a quota badu Makasulite. Narang the Su, honorable member Kisanga, Magi, Eriagi, the Zaza Tauramna. Loina Kaugana director, education director, Pong Natawi, Pigi Pesa, Handavagi, private school the Tamboero, Aduga Kano the Tamboero, government school the Tamboero, Madugi P, government school give the free where they give private school the Tambasing Shokoi Moida, no model Pachama, Sama Sanga Torkanda, Imungamada, the Sing Ohungi Sanga Torkanda, private school give P. Tian Nabo Honori, Narama class 9, Namadi Tengi. Honorable member Kishan Putormagi do the labor 9 number 10 uniform PD, textbook PD, the Kamai of Guno, the director, no, Sarmadugi scheme, same Loina Pirani, Hana I Pau Piramudona. The Michael Duna, honorable speakers are honorable member, we can honajari, Adagi Paisa, Nungsa, Hana Lep, the Kariguma Kalamati, Handagadaba, Taugudabalite, Aduga I know the lake Hidaba. Relief came the lake Hidaba Shindu. Shoe part of the state like the Bunny Haiba, the shoe, partly the Susum the Badinate, Moishu, suffered or Redu. I coin as Gracia Makta Madugi, the Panbaya the Brina, who's if Hogi the Coinata, Simogi, Lake the Bagi, Soran Ulat, Karma, Tobum Topushing to the Kragra, Mating Pang, Manatana, Totopa, Togri, Madu, Equi Kanda Canary, Gramata of Karitoxige, High the Moish Mayuma the labor from Jedrabanina, Stella Gatobanina. Karimating Pang Sige of the Kanajari Madoi, decision who you might be lowly, Mating Pang of Toxic. I see the question over Lojare. Agenda number 2, calling attention.
0 Wargi Sir Hojikta Pang Pau Hajabtare is the social measure from the power of the Huzik Sar Kogi Akampat Singzamay the Labor, Akampat relief came the labor displaced person sing the Kogi rally Yamachat Pahabitare. Maduda security na nongmai amasung tiar gas kaptana tan gaiba adu paumi babu phure hana somda khoi kanwasida social media the huji kin sa thagal ise ngarang honorable chief minister nadi aina star question amada I charge dinate jun gi tang kun mari da chingda Manipur thugaina ba union territory demand to boda district mari da chakhiba matamda democracy chatpanina Badu Koi freedom of speech expression Badu Yana Bagidam Koi Taubani Haidana Koi Yampazamon the Tambigiva. Relief came the lady wishing Sisar, Kulain like Pyramoy, Lupiang, Yampas the Tagalishda, Lupiang Tani. The Sidesh the Yamtina Assembly Pami Menina Moy the Kariumba Aningba Pamba Kara Uningba information Kara pinning Badagi Taurambadi Yai. Adu Somaina Yamnaka Hena Tiar Giasta Datana no May Hova Kapsalaga Tangaidana Taure Havagi Pausila Masi Taudanaba Zihuzik Koyaragadi Marilinaba Dijida Karida Sigumbaka Hembakanosi Taudanaba Sarkari Saitaki Tambinaba a Pausi Tamzabani. Thank you.
Agenda number 2, calling attention. Honorable Member Shri Surya Kumar Okramna calling attention raised opinion.
Honorable Speaker, sir, rules of procedure conduct of business ki makhada calling attention motion na thangat sir in the interest of the public, especially in the interest of the students of our state. Sir, aina motion na si hogdokchabada hogdokcharakpasida sir ay yamna apawba famous oiba akoi quote amkatang sir haijage Manipur gi National Education India gi National Education Commission 1964-66 popularly known as Kothari Commission mukhoi gi hogdokpa matamda the destiny of India is been shaped in her classrooms hai akoi gi classrooms hi matam chana matam akoi gi exam matam chana tawdaba class matam chana lawdaba se classroom sidagi akoi gi state ki akoi gi country ki destiny is shape mold tor kadorin have sir amana mayam na su hainai sir a nation's wealth is created in the university system hain sir adun aina pukachari se wealth here means our prospective students adun sir aina pukachari si akoi gi state ki leijariba Dhanamanjuri University amasung huzik kanna satra singna demand tawriba satra singna masi phajana kana tohanbir haiba aduga amasung Manipur Technical University MTU haina laiba sir masi ki fate se kamaina laigadage haidana public interest ta ai ngasi ki motion se raise tawjabani duna wealth haiba university system se sida wealth hairi se sir akoi gi satra sing sini haina sir ai amuka hana thamjari sir aduna akoi brief history mgatang sir yam tien ai thamjage Dakar Lady sir 2F Pangaba Matungda UGC gi 12B Hydra Masi Labor, regular finance officials in labor, regular non-teaching staff sing moigi rules and regulations ki makhada labor, exam matam chana tawba, regular oja sing professor, associate professor, assistant professor, adu ki makhada labor, guest lecturer sing kari sing matam gi, masi guma mayam si dakar labor sir, aina mamangi assembly gi koigi debate discussion mayam dasu, sir masi tholakani Manipur University ki se masigi fate si sir akoi government na yamna luna yamna kano tong na dakar leiba yamna luna loba dakar lei haiduna sir ai thamjagi bani sir aduna aina ahan bada sir ai tentangna ai adum thamjage UGC gi sir 12B sina hai se section 12B of the UGC Act, sir, sin hai sigi purpose se karino hai matamda the condition under which a university and college can give grant and financial assistance from UGC. Sir, sigi important sina institution recognized under UGC under UGC 12B are eligible to receive financial grant from UGC for development projects, research initiative, infrastructure enhancement and other academic activities, sir. Sigi makhada dum lakpaje sir accreditation standard sing asagi not accreditation have lakdarin sir sida research and development sir sida mateng pa kadurin sir student benefits the student of 12B recognized institute may have access to scholarship, fellowship and other financial aid programs sponsored by UGC, sir. ZRF Junior Research Fellowship to matamda sir around 35,000 phangpham lay sir si makha science ki da sir 38,000 phangpham lay sir mase makhan makha mayam lay gre sir adi yamna detail da sat pegi dakar laita bran chu khal sir adagi amuk sir recently si UGC commission na thokpa report ne sir kaino hai tar public notice hai tar sir sida hai isna the applicants are examined and colleges are included in the UGC list under section 12B in accordance with the previous contained in the UGC fitness rule of institution of the grant rule 1975 hai sir sina muhairina sir UGC ki fitness of college for revising grant rule number 2024 na sir sida ama thokpa sida na NAC accreditation phangdragadi NAC accreditation phangdragadi UGC ki 12B se phangaroi na hair sir UGC ki 12B se yamna important oi is na karigino hai matum sir NAC accreditation ki point amani khatang sir ai thamjage NAC accreditation da ahan bada HIRC, the eligibility criteria includes at least 2 batches of graduates or being in the existence of a minimum of 6 years, sir. 6 years, 2 batches. Sumbasidi mayam di sir, helamane na khalle sir. Aina huzik ahan ba haijiri DMU ki niko sir. Aduna sir. Ani issue bada nak accreditation sir self study report haiba ma moi report lo se data validation and verification report haibama peer team visit haibama accreditation outcome haibama teaching and learning evaluation haibama circular sigi evaluate mayam je matang tarokana student support government and leadership management institution value sigumba mayam se tarokanda sir NAC accreditation akhoi gi grading tawse sir A++ haibama A+, A B++, B+, B, C, D hai. D is the institution 1.5 neba 1.50 institution below 1.50 are not accredited. 1.50 ki mark makha D ki makha da lai base D phang base sir city accredited tawroi NAC accreditation phangoi phangdraga di UGC ki 12B of the UGC Act masi chatna ba yaroi phanggadaba grant mayam phanggadaba mayam singsi piba phangaroi haiba sir aduna si phangattaba mayam singsina sigi mayam sina sir mari samnara kana karigino phangdre haiba taragadi asa honorable leader of the house na he's in his speech in his budget speech da akoi PM divine da around 70 crore haibra kino ngang sida di yaw kina sir aduna adumaina PM divine dagi achoba senthang ama lautharaga infrastructure sembagi haiduna sir thambigi infrastructure sembasu maruni but university se work tongnabal akhoi gi university se akhoi university ma oina ba hona bada sir we need to akhoi gi lairiba teaching and non teaching staff sing se regularize to we classroom phajana function to hongada ba classroom sida satnariba system se karino haibase si se chatnaraba matungda sir akhoi kaino torokadam sir tuga 12B si ka mu related labor NAC ka mu related labor relationship sida mu la isna hujik si academic block of credit haina sir university mayam se India da labor university mayam UGC na recognized over university mayam se academic block of credit sir sida changa kadaba sir academic block of credit sina harisina academic block of credit ID introduced by University Grant Commission UGC India sina this initiative is a part of the broader framework to implement National Education Policy 2020 aiming to provide flexibility and notability of students across higher education aduga sigi details ina sigi purpose ina karigino haiba matamda sir ABC is designed to facilitate the seamless transfer of credit earned by the students across different recognized educational institutes. It performs a more flexible and interdisciplinary approach to education, allowing students to design their own learning paths. Aina classroom amada ozana takiba matam aina examination da sangiba ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯗꯤꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯁꯔ ꯄꯨꯔꯒ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯆꯠꯇꯣꯔꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯔ ABC IDꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ DMUꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯦ even if I want to go to Manipur University I cannot go now sir ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯄꯔꯤꯈꯥ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯇꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯄꯨꯗꯤ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯄꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯑꯦꯇꯦꯟꯁꯟ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯄꯒꯤꯔ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔꯁꯨ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯤꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯔ ꯑꯩ ꯊꯥꯖꯖꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯅꯧꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐꯦꯀꯜꯇꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯐꯁꯤꯡ ꯅꯟ ꯇꯤꯆꯤꯡ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯐꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯧꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯔ ꯄꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯖꯣꯏꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯇꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯃꯇꯪ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔꯅꯁꯨ ꯍꯣꯔꯦꯟ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯔ ꯑꯩ ꯊꯝꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯁꯔ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯔ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯗꯤꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯄꯨꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯗꯦꯜꯂꯤꯗ ꯆꯠꯄꯗ ꯗꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤꯗ ꯁꯔ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯗꯤꯠꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯍꯩꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯩꯇꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯔꯣꯏ ꯅꯧꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯄꯔꯤꯈꯥ ꯊꯥꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯃꯤꯁꯇꯔ 7 ꯂꯩꯔꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ 3 ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ 4th ꯁꯦꯃꯤꯁꯇꯔꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯗꯤꯠꯇꯨꯅ ꯁꯨꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ anywhere in India I adum transfer our students moigi huzik mayam na hairje sir ai ngasi newspaper da sangai gi newspaper da sir